we're going to be going up to Skogafoss, one of the most popular and well-known waterfalls in Iceland. But first we're actually going to take a stop off to another famous waterfall here before we actually go hiking near that location itself. Let's go take a look. So Skogafoss is approximately 60 meters or 197 feet tall. What makes this waterfall so unique is the pathway that allows visitors to walk behind it. Even though it was only our third day in Iceland, I could already tell why this country is such a popular family destination. So many scenic locations can be found right off of the main ring road, making it easily accessible for all ages and abilities. All right, now that we got on the road for about another half hour from the last waterfalls, we finally made our way to one of probably the most famous waterfalls in all of Iceland. So excited to take a look at this one, you guys. You ready? We're ready. So there's another trail off to the side of Skogafoss so you can continue up and get a overlook of the falls, and then continue on, and there's a bunch of different waterfalls to see how far we can get up before we have to turn back around, because it's supposed to rain in the next 2 hours. So hopefully we have a little window and we can see some more views and falls, but we're going to be gambling against Mother Nature, and that never goes right. Savannah and I are only about a mile and a half into the hike, and already we've probably seen 4 or 5 of some of the most beautiful waterfalls we've seen in our life. One thing that I made sure when I came out here, I know I love drone footage and I like flying everywhere if I can. Be cognizant when you're here that you're not flying in an area that is a no-fly zone. I know Skogafoss, the falls down below, it's a protected area and you're not supposed to fly there, along with some other spots. But I made sure to check online pretty much everywhere I could. And I think from up here and beyond, you're free to fly. I think this is one area where we're gonna have to put that drone in the sky and see what these views are all about.